Hey, I'm Mateo with WTI. And I wanted to tell you about these stainless steel frying pans by Yeksum. I was doing some research on how to make sure the food doesn't stick to the bottom, and I had so much fun doing the water test on it. Once it gets hot enough, I use just a little bit of oil to fry up an egg, and I was very pleasantly surprised that nothing stuck to the bottom. I even put some shredded cheese on the egg and flipped it, and it cooked it nicely without nothing sticking to it. I am so happy I know how to get the best use out of these stainless steel pans. I like that it comes in a set of 8, 10, and 12 inches, making it perfect for any type of cooking, from a single fried egg for breakfast to cooking for a big family. These pans are all I need. They heat up very nicely and cook evenly, and I appreciate that the handle does not get hot to touch, making it very easy to hold the handle while I'm cooking. They're very strong and sturdy. They feel like with proper care they can last a very long time. These frying pans by Yeksum are so worth it. And that is my point of view.